What's up, guys? Toast again from Fishyaker, back here in the North Branch of Susquehanna River at the Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania Fishing Boat Commission access with Lila the Susky Shark and Coco. It's about 12:40 in the afternoon, Saturday the 29th of May, Memorial Day weekend 2021. It's kind of dreary out here. So guys, as you might be able to tell from the audio, it's a bit windy. Air temperature right now is about 50-ish degrees. A lot different than it was last weekend. It's been pouring down rain since middle of yesterday. River right now is at like 2.6 feet, I think it is, on the gauge here in Bloomsburg. It's supposed to go up about 2 to 3 feet by end of the day tomorrow. So probably about middle of the day tomorrow, around noon on Sunday, it's going to start jacking up, spreading the fish out, muddying up the water, but might be a little bit easier to find the fish. I'll be up in the eddies and coves and moving around and stuff, because it has been pretty shallow, all things considered, almost like a summer pattern, at least last week. But fish are starting to get pretty active. But weather-wise, today and tomorrow, rain on and off. Tomorrow looks like pretty much a washout on Sunday. Again, low 50s. But Monday on Memorial Day looks pretty good. Supposed to be a little bit warmer and partly cloudy. So not as much of a washout. But this is what the river looks like right now. Again, it's getting ready to go up. And it's a little chilly outside. Really windy. Pretty cold, actually. Probably got some wind chill going on. All right, guys, you get free time this weekend, try to get out there and catch some fish. Just be careful. Again, got some wind chill, wind, rain, dreary weather, but fish are getting active. All right, guys, if you haven't yet, be sure to click and subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel. Share the video on all your social media outlets, and we'll catch you on the water.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.
Where'd he go?
You missed it, Coco. You missed it.
Oh, it's over there.
To your right, Coco.
Over there. Over there. Over there. Dude, it's over there.